Dear friends and dear viewers of Rishi Academy TV, today my discussion is going to be on a common subject. It is very much relevant to the all the ages. It is not 60 to 20 or something like that. For all the ages is required. This speech will cover a lot of things. As I said, the mind is the major instrument for your success. Success means your success materially, mentally, physically, body health, your job success, your family success, everything depend upon the mind power only. The mind is having such a power. Even a slightest situation can be turned out positively or negatively as you become. நீ என்னவாக இருக்கிறாயோ, what you are, the same way the situation might be get changed. When you are aggressive, the situation become aggressive. When you are smooth, the situation becomes smooth. When you are active, the situation become active. You are dull, the situation might be dull. So the basic success behind the success is mind power. When the mind power in positive and relaxed manner, you will be very success. For that, I want to tell you something very essentially. Each and everybody should follow it without an age. Even a 10 years student can do this. First thing, keep your mind always pleasant. How I can keep the mind pleasant? Is it possible? Yes. Is it possible? How? First thing, what do you require for that? No. You should not have any enmity on others. Sir, it is possible? Yes, possible. What is enmity? What do you mean by enmity? Your thought is thought not matching. Okay, it is his thought. Yours is yours thought. There is a quarrel in between. It is not matching. Leave it. What you are going to be, do it. What he is going to be, let them do. Why there is a friction? My policy is same. எனக்கு பிஜேபியை பிடிக்கும், இன்னொருத்தருக்கு டிஎம்கே பிடிக்கும், பிடிக்கிட்டோம். அதுக்காக நான் ரோட்டில் போய் சண்டையாக போட்டுக்க முடியும்? சண்டை போடுறோம் முட்டாள். உனக்கு என்ன வேணுமோ அதை செஞ்சுட்டு போ. உனக்கு பிஜேபி ஓடனா பிஜேபிக்கு ஓட்டு போட்டு போ. அவருக்கு டிஎம்கே பிடிக்குன்னா டிஎம்கே ஓட்டு போட்டு போடணும். எதுக்காக போய் ரோட்டில் போய் சண்டை போடுறோம்? வாட் பெனிஃபிட் யூ வில் கெட் அவுட் ஆஃப் இட்? அரசியல்வாதி மேடை போட்டு திட்டினா தான் அவனுக்கு ஓட்டு வேணும்னா அவன் பர்பச்சுவலி டூயிங் இட். அவருடைய வேலை அது. நான் எலெக்ஷனில் நிற்கிறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு யாரையுமே திட்டாமல் ஓட்டு வாங்க முடியாது. எலெக்ஷன்னா அந்த வேஷம்தான் போட்டு ஆகணும், பேசித்தான் ஆகணும், கோவப்பட்டு தான் ஆகணும். எனிமிட்டி எடுத்துன்னு வந்தால் தான் எலெக்ஷன். இல்லைங்க அவர் எதிரில் நிற்கிற ஆள் ரொம்ப நல்லவருங்க, என்னை விட நல்லவங்களை சொல்லி ஓட்டு வாங்குவீங்க? சுச்சுவேஷனுக்காக அதை நம்ம மாறணும். புரியுதுங்களா? சுச்சுவேஷன் இல்லாமல் சக்ஸஸ், அந்த சக்ஸஸுக்கு சில ஃபார்முலா இருக்குது. நார்மல் காமன் மேனுக்கு நீங்கள் எனிமிட்டி பண்ணி என்ன பண்ண போகிறீங்க? பிஜேபி பிடிச்சவங்கள வச்சு நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ண போகிறீங்க? டிஎம்கே பிடிக்காதவங்களை வச்சு என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க? இல்லை டிஎம்கே பிடிச்சவங்களை வச்சு என்ன பண்ண போகிறீங்க? ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது உங்களால். நீங்கள் ஒரே ஒரு ஓட்டு தான் போட முடியும், இல்லை 4 பேருக்கு சொல்ல முடியும். அதுதானே பண்ணுவீங்க. அதை தான் நான் சொல்கிறேன். உங்களுடைய பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் என்ன, நீங்கள் எதை திறந்து வாயை திறந்தால் என்ன கிடைக்கும், அதை வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் டிசைட் பண்ணி அதுக்கு வேண்டிய ஃபார்முலாவில் இருந்தாலே மைண்டு செட் ஆகும், அமைதி வரும். செகண்ட் திங், பொறாமை. தி enmity, முதல்ல we have seen the enmity. Now we are going to see the jealousy. Jealousy, what is jealousy? Today I am wearing this shirt. I feel it is proud to have this shirt. It is very dark color, nicely looking. When I am exhibited in the camera, it will be little bit good color. Okay. A man is having, what is this cost, 300 rupees. The same shirt can be bought for 1000 rupees or 1200 rupees. Why should I get jealousy? It is also giving the same effect. The 1000 rupees shirt or 1200 rupees shirt have little bit comfortability or shining or branded. The brand cannot be shown in the TV, in the camera. The purpose cannot be solved by the brands. 300 rupees shirts is completing my job. Purpose is get solved. I need not jealous about the other man's property or other man's success. His success is his. My success is mine. Nothing possible. When you get jealous, you can't get anything. There is no meaning at all for jealousy at all. What happened now? Against who you got jealous, he is happy and enjoying his life. But you are losing your life. By getting jealous, you are losing your life. உன்னுடைய வாழ்க்கை தான் தரம் தாழ்ந்து போகும் பொறாமையினால். யாரை பார்த்து நீ பொறாமைப்படுகிறாயோ அவன் நன்றாக வாழ்ந்து கொண்டு தான் இருக்கிறான். உன்னுடைய தராதரம் குறைந்து மனவேதனை அடைந்து உடல் சொருகி உடல் வேதனை ஆற்று எல்லாம் நடைபெறும். எதற்கு? Why should I get all these things by getting jealous? Is it a brave thing? When your mind is giving the enormous power to do the positive things, why you are thinking about the negative things? Split it, divert it. Then third, fear. Fear. When your mind is not peaceful, happy, you have jealous, then automatically fear will come. Because this negative too will eat away all your energy. Your whole body energy, mind energy, soul energy, all will be eaten away by these two negatives. Fear, sadness and jealousy. சந்தோஷமாக இல்லாதது. When you are not happy, when you are always hungry, you are jealous, your total chemical balance in the body will be different. Then automatically your fear will accumulate within you. Try to avoid these three things. Today's special message about the lockdown work at home people. I am going to give you a nice message which will help them to cope up with their lifestyle. I had my policy in my management. I am being a corporate trainer, I used to do so many tactics to control the people. When my subordinates is not hearing me well or not doing the job properly, what I will do, no? I will send him to his house by compulsory leave. I know the tolerance level of him. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, even 15 days leave also I have given. Suspension, that is called suspension. Suspending is one way of punishment and one way of make him to understand what is the jobless will do. Salary one, I won't given the salary for that days. But I don't want to sack him. I don't want to send him out. I want to make him realize what if any job is not in my hands, salary is not there in my hands. Within 3-4 days he will come back. Sir, please allow me to the office. I can't sit in my home. All lockdown people are in the same stage. But we are getting the salary. But you are losing your enthos. You are losing your mind power. You are losing your creativity. Your mind is in a stagnation condition. Your mind is in a very drowsy and dull situation. What happening in lockdown work at home periods? 24/7 you are into a one place. It will make you so many discomforts on your mind without knowing. Your mind, your soul or get disturbed. And all the people, they won't obey the daily routine works. When they are not about all the people. Mostly 75% of the people. Because even in the office day, they are rushing with the emergency, as like emergency, to get ready. If you are going to be a work at home, even bathing will be delayed. No dressing, proper dressing. Even not washing the faces. Attending the meeting without washing the faces also. Because they are not going to see you. There is no freshness. There is no freshness in the mind. Go and wash your face. How freshness you will get. Understood it? Why you are washing the face often? You will get the water energy. In a Panchaputas, water energy is a coolant. That energy is a vibrant energy. If you throw a bowl of water in your face, you will be like a struggling effect will be there. What happening? The senses are always dry. After getting water into it, that will give an amazing effect. For that we are washing. What for bath is taken? Cleaning you? Nothing is cleaning. If you have took a bath, within 10 minutes, if you have get soot, the same effect will be there in the body. In summer season, after half an hour of bath also, you will be in the same condition. It is some way it is cleaning your body. That is no question at all. No doubt at all. But the morning bath make your body constitutions with pitta less. Pitta korayum. Pitta will be reduced. For that only the morning bath has been recommended. Night there is a stagnant of pitta in the body. Always night there is no much process, there is no requirement of pitta in the body. So pitta will be there in the gallbladder or roaming in the body. There is no usage for pittas. So it is stagnated. morning bath will reduce the pitta. And taking good water in the morning will reduce the pitta. Everything is meant very, 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 very scientifically by our old people, forefathers. When you are not taking even a bath and sitting in the meeting, your decision may be wrong because you are accumulated with pitta. When pitta is there, your mind won't work properly. Understood? And lot of improper positions. See, you are going to see up to my this way. So I have placed my camera in a proper straight line method. What you are doing when you are doing the meetings, somebody is doing in cell phones, tab, everybody is sleeping and doing it like this. They are doing in the cart. Meetings are all going on the cart. My dear friends, I will tell you one thing. Don't attend the meeting without proper dressing. Ladies who are working in the home or lockdown work at home, do it properly with office mode, not in home mode. Your efficiency, you don't bother about your office efficiency at all. Your whole body efficiency will be pakka. Your mind will be intact. Mind will be powerful. Mind will help to move all the organs properly. When it should be get ready, I can also talk with you in this camera without combing my hair, without even bath also. Will you like it? Or I can give you energetic speech? Not at all possible. Even I am not able to see my ugly face in my camera. Then what happened? My mind is not accepting my ugliness. So my process, my mind power, mind thought, energy level will be all are disturbed. First I have to like me, myself. My mind should like me first. Even my mind is not like me, how the mind will produce the good things from me? Understand? This is my request to all lockdown home workers, work at home people. Be prepared for your job as you going to office. It is the boon or punishment, we don't know. Somebody will take it as a boon, somebody has taken it as a punishment. This is my kind request. When you in a proper formula of dress code or sitting code, your computer without table don't work on home. Without table don't work at home. You should have a table, chair, positioning your computer. Everything should be in pakka. Try to have a speaker, earphone. You will not be get disturbed by others. All home workers, work at home people should do the proper exercises. Yoga, pranayama or meditation in the evening and morning. Why I am telling you, the normal requirement of the body movement is not there. Even your exercises will compensate that only. but you are not giving extraordinary workouts for your body to maintain your aging. Please understand properly what you are going to do as the exercise or yoga or whatever it may be. It will compensate the normal movement of your body, because your normal movement will take a lot of blood flow, lot of energy, inhaling energy, lot of things, briskness. For that only these exercises will help you when we are in a lockdown period. But extraordinary to build up for our future, build up my body for our future is something different that required extra than this. Do the proper exercises, breathing exercises, food intake, reduce the food intake. Reduce the food intake because you don't have any movements at all. If you are going to cook or if you are going to spend some any other job during the office hours, allot the meeting in between. Allot the time in between the meetings and properly do it and come back again. Attend the meeting and going to do some other job and coming back to attend the meeting and going to some other job, it won't give you success. The hidden failure will start in your career. The hidden failure. Your thought might not be good to take decisions. Your mind cannot be give you a very good formula for the success, because you are confused, not fully engaged in the job or not fully engaged in the other houseworks or take care of the children, not do simultaneously. It will make you fool. Make you fool of your job, make you fool of your homework also. You will be mad then. All will be brought to a total bundle of agitation. That agitation make you confidentless. Don't think that it is a boon, it is the punishment. Work at home is a punishment. Who are all engaged in that, they know well. Do it properly, take a night's sleep, good food, and position the computer in a proper way. எப்படி வைக்கணும் தெரியுமா கம்ப்யூட்டர்? இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். உங்கள் கம்ப்யூட்டர் நேராக இருக்கணும். நான் இப்படி பார்க்கவும் கூடாது, இப்படி பார்க்கவும் கூடாது. It should be like this, which I will show it in my camera. The position should be like this. My software is not get ready, otherwise I will show it here also. Okay, next time I will show you. It is not here. Fine. Position your computer in a proper lineups. Take a good food. Do meditation. Do pranic exercises. Do some yoga or sitting exercises in the chair itself. Every 1 hour you have to take sitting exercises. Bending from